This elixir completely recovered the youth from my face. And now I have the face of a 15-year-old girl. Having a perfect complexion is of great importance for all women without exception. This makes them gain more self-confidence and makes them feel more confident. And is that having a face without spots or wrinkles is considered very important in today's society. This type of face enhances the beauty of a woman and makes them look more attractive. Hence the majority invest much time and resources in having a radiant face. However, not everyone is born with the perfect face. In many cases, the skin of our house is deteriorating by free radicals. In addition, there are many other factors that influence the appearance of spots and wrinkles on the face. But that does not mean that we no longer have a chance to have a beautiful face. There are now many medical procedures that promise to eliminate these problems. Some of them are surgeries and Botox. The only problem with them is that they are usually very expensive and risky. In addition, not all people produce the same effect, so the results are not guaranteed. That's why, in this article we want to talk about a 100% natural and effective method that will make your face beautiful. It consists of a substance that will make you look younger up to 15 when you apply it on your face. On the other hand, its ingredients are very cheap and accessible, so you can easily get them. Pay attention to the following instructions so that you can prepare the elixir of youth home. Elixir of youth for the face. Ingredients: 1. Coconut oil 50 milliliters. 2. Oats 3 tablespoons. 3. White yogurt 1 bit. 4. Sodium bicarbonate 1 tablespoon. 5. Clear egg 2 units. Preparation and use: as simple as putting everything in a blender and ready. To apply it, we must unclog our pores by washing our face with lukewarm water. What we have left to do is apply this mask for 10 or 15 minutes on the face. Then, remove it with cold water to cover the pores and ready. After several days applying this mask, we will achieve a face up to 15 years younger. Do not forget to share this article in your social networks. That way your friends also find out about this wonderful